here for Alternium. Today I have an easy card to share with you featuring the Teal Shadow Washi tape. So I'll start by adhering the Teal Shadow Washi tape onto a piece of cardstock. Then I'll either fussy cut some of the floral elements out, or you can even use the Floral Shadow Die Set to die cut the elements. I don't have the die set, so I'll be fussy cutting my pieces. Here are all the pieces that I have fussy cut, and they look beautiful, don't they? Now I'm going to work on the card front, and I'll keep it super simple. I'll use the Emerald watercolor brush marker to add color to my panel. I'm thinking of adding color starting halfway somewhere in the middle of the panel, and I'll add color as drips of water. I'll also use a different concentration of emerald pigment for interest. Once I'm happy with the look, I'll add splatters of the same shade so that the contrast is not too much. Now I'll let this dry. Once the panel is dry, I'll start arranging the floral elements. I'll adhere them with foam tape along the watercolor section. Next, I'll use the gold from the metallic watercolors and add tons of shimmering gold splatters. They match the flower centers actually and look really good in person. Next, I'll adhere a sentiment from Label Love Sentiment Set and add a bit of gold string behind it to match the gold splatters. And that's it. My card is complete, and the shimmer on this looks so pretty. I love how quick, easy and gorgeous this looks. These washi tapes are very helpful in creating quick cards. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.